and it's super wet right now. All right, and we will let that dry, come to tack. We're gonna do our dark wax and dust of ages, and I am gonna do one more technique that I like to use, and I've learned by watching unbelievable amount of videos in Italian, so we'll go through that. So now we're gonna do our dark wax. Load up and then offload. All right, that's that dark wax. If you want to add a little more detail, I like to take a little bit of linseed oil and some pigments, just pure pigment here, and I will add in sometimes, you know, I don't want just brown. Sometimes I want black. Sometimes I want a little gray. You can add any pigment and shadowing just to make it look really old. Just be careful with this stuff. This can really change. Very dark, very easy. There. And that linseed oil mixes very nicely with the beeswax, so they play well together. So when I'm coloring in these lines, I don't necessarily want the cross lines colored because to me water ran down. So I'm not really concerned about cracks across. It's the cracks down that I think over time would have been a little bit dirtier. So I'm not just kind of highlighting in some of the fissures. And if you ever don't know where to highlight, look at an object and squint your eyes. You'll see its natural shadows. Hold it up in front of you, and the dark shaded areas where is they taught me in art school. But all right, so just down lines, and that just adds a little more depth, and the dust of ages will help with this too. Just a little shading. Okay, so this is where we are at. I am gonna go ahead and add the dust of ages and then let that set. And we are just about done, guys.